Today I'm going to show you the Mount IT platform cart. You can get it from Amazon with links in the description. Push cart's flatbed is 29 inches long, 18.5 inches wide, and with a folding handle up is 32 inches high. Folded down, entire cart stands at 8.75 inches high. Platform has a 330-pound weight capacity. Comes with heavy-duty steel caster wheels that lock and swivel a full 360 degrees for easy moving. Platform has a diamond-shaped rubber grid, anti-skid textured surface. Edges of the platform come with rubber bumper guards to keep it from scratching other surfaces. When you get the cart, the only assembly are the wheels and handle plate. Took maybe 20 minutes to assemble. I've been using this cart for several years, hauling equipment back and forth from gigs, hauling a guitar, Bose L1 compact, mic stand and duffel bag with mic, cables, and effects. This cart is very lightweight and easy to fold. I've used this for groceries, moving large plants, and furniture. I highly recommend this cart and give it 2 thumbs up.